Well, that's an interesting way to climb a ladder. Hey guys, welcome back with Mark Jackson for some more Unravel 2, and that's our final challenge, isn't it? I wanted to see if I couldn't do, the final level. I wanted to see if I couldn't do a challenge. Just tell us, Ashes to Ashes is what we already did. I don't honestly remember where the challenge was. It's been a couple of days since I played. Forgive me, guys. Was it there? Let's just get on to Chapter 7. I believe that's what it was. And maybe we'll do... We already did a couple of challenges. Yeah, 7 at the Rapids. That fast-paced, huh? I doubt it. I think it's going to be both. The puzzles in this game have... If you've been following the series, the puzzles in this game have been... Ooh, we got some music. Step on through. They've confounded me. I will entirely admit it. I have been confounded by this game. Great game. I would make an argument that some of the puzzles are a little bit too difficult. You know, for noobs like me. Oh, no, get out of the mud. Come on now. Oh, and we have, and we roasted. At least I saw it coming. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, platforming just warming up. That, what I come to expect from this game. And what do you want to bet it's going to happen again? And it did. This time we made it. How many times are we going to die this episode? Shit. Alright, so we got the dark memories down there below. Damn it. I'm dead again. I know it. I'm already... Yeah. Yeah, because this is what you guys tuned in to see, wasn't it? And I'm dead again. Might as well just... Yep. Me and platforming at 5 o'clock in the morning. Come on, let's just get through this. And I just want to square up here. I'm not... I figured... Man, I figured we'd have to rush something like this, but no. Gonna have to tie off there to get up, or... No, it doesn't look like it. I think we're good. Good as my balls. And right now my balls are so far up. Yeah, so far up in my body, I have 3 Adam's apples. Forget I said that. Okay, so the kids I'm seeing, they're climbing over. They climbed over, and the dude in the background down there, the evil guy, still chasing them. So, I mean, obviously we're following their memories. Maybe this is how they see themselves. Maybe that's the thing. And that's something... Excuse me, guys. That's something congruent with the first Unravel, is that we followed the memories. Wow. A lot of things going on here. One thing... Yeah, congruent with Unravel 1, sorry. But in this case, with this game, maybe this is how the children see what they did? What we're doing right now as the little balls of yarn? I think I see this. I think I see part of it. Please come back. Please come back. We gotta separate, don't we? How do I get over? Oh, under. And then Yarny, and then Annie, sweetheart, and then Yarny again. But that doesn't give us a clearance, does it? Can we squeeze? We can. All right, so. Whoops. Oh, I screwed up. See what needs to be. Whoa, wait a minute. How do we do that, though? All right, let's learn this machine. Okay, that's the end game right there. Which means I'm doing it wrong. I need to... It's not engaging. Why is it kind of stuck there, is the thing. No, I need it further clockwise. How do I do that without engaging it? Wow, this is something. Now this is gonna do what yes, okay. Okay, hold it there. That's what I need. And then, oh wait, I still have to engage it. That's the thing. No. So I need to be on that button right now, but I gotta loop it around in order to swing up to that location, don't I? I'm using a lot of yarn here. Back up. Go all the way over. Yes. 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 Solution. And then I don't want to dust off there. I want to get a little choke. So there we go. But then, oh wait a minute, maybe that's just enough. Come on, Yarny, climb. I'm trying to reel in this rope and he just won't do it. Damn, this is a puzzle. Why can't I just climb the rope? Very, very curious here. Do I have to go all the way back down? And then I don't see this as a solution. I just made a whole mess of this. I think I've got the right idea. Oh, maybe, damn it. Stupid Mark Jackson. Just go under. All right. Yeah, just to be sure, let's get Yarny up to where I think we need to be. I don't need a hint. Not right now. All right. God, that was so dumb of me. But we got it, is the thing. Come on, Annie. I'll jump on your back, baby girl. All right, what's next? And it's showing us over there. Got this crank here. So one on, I would imagine. Where's you? Lassoing. I don't think that we're going to make it over there. So I think what we got to do is tie off, switch back to Yarny, and next job's on him. And I guess for safety, I suppose we'll tie off there too. Why? What is happening right now? I'm glad we didn't die, and that was kind of silly. But am I overcomplicating this? think I am. At least we don't die doing this. That I can dig. Let's climb back up. Come on, Annie. Yarny. See what kind of distance we can get out of you. What the hell is it trying to tell us to do? Let's get our... Oh, that's going to be interesting. Because, yeah, so, yeah, there we go. Yeah, the interesting part there was that we were going to run a yarn, like stat. Hop on, Yarny. We got a... What in the actual F situation here? And then we're just going to plop down here. Okay. This is something. Well, we added a sprocket to the thing. Maybe that... What do you want to bet that keeps it going, maybe? Yeah, so we can scoot through? Yeah. Get him, Scooter. Now what? Scooter gonna kill us? How the hell do we do this? Alright, I'm gonna use one character here because if I fall, you know, I don't have to do this all over again. Okay, we can use the gear. Nice. We can use the gear. It's just timing at this point, which I'm terrible at. Only just made it. I really think that... Okay, we got another... Okay, we got another situation here. That's fine. We can... Oh, hell. Oh, okay. Nice. Nice little puzzle here. Yarny, move out of the way just a bit. And that ought to engage us permanently. What a puzzle. But what the hell now? Seems like we gotta go down. Yeah, now that we've opened that area... Sorry if I'm wasting your time, guys, but now that we've opened that area... We've gotta scoot through here. And then figure out whatever this is. Which apparently it likes to move. So we gotta have one character here. Oh, I don't know about this. Can we push it? Oh, okay. Oh, it's okay. It's doing it automatically. Like it. What is that though? Made the game darker. Not quite a fan. All right, so we got that done. I like that we had to get that second thing that's whatever it is going up and down to get us to shoot us up here. At least give us a distance to Ninja Gaiden. And I like the twist there too. These things are gonna kill us. That's just crazy. Yeah, this is just nuts. Wow. Bonsai! I can't believe we have enough yarn to do this. Watch, we're going to come up dead short. Yes, we are. So... I think I... no, damn it, Yarny. Well, damn it, me. I think I got it. Bonsai again. Switch off this time, damn it. Up, get off. Up, get off. Yep, come on, Annie. Why aren't they... Okay, and the idea here is to use Annie's yarn to get over there, because... Yeah, we're entirely hooked up. We need to engage this gear, and that's going to mean pushing it. And maybe that... Yeah. The last couple episodes were little. I had a lot of fun, and it's a great game, guys. But they were a little bit frustrating. This, I'm enjoying quite a bit more than I was before. What do we got now? It says go up and around. We've got a lever here. It looks like I can. Let's do it this way so you can see a little bit better. Yeah, okay. What I want to do is tie off here, I think. I want to... Alright, well, forget the tie off. Let's get that out of the park there. And let's just swap. These things are running. Wow. What's it telling us to do? Well, we got up here. I think maybe... No. Do we have to... Do we have enough yarn to do this? I don't know. We do. So, the old reach around. I didn't say that. This can get us around. Then we want to switch back to Annie, I think. We want to climb. No, but the problem is... Hold on a minute. The problem is... that second thing is out of position. Alright, don't screw this up, Mark. Please. Really? Oh! Okay, wait a minute. No, I got it. If I miss this, though, I'm gonna totally... There we go. First time's a charm, I guess. And we progress, seems like. I'm so smart. No, I'm not. I'm an idiot. I screw anything that moves. Ladies. Guilty. Alright, what do we have here? We have to hold both. Maybe? Well, something important is happening. Did we open the dam? It looks like it. Open the floodgates. And I just saw the guy run away. So beautiful. Double jump. Oh, awesome. But we died. Double jump this late in the game? Okay. I see what we need to do, but hence the rapids thing, but whoa, that was almost too far. Too short. I'm still alive. I thought I was dead. I was waiting for the screen to fade to black. Now I know I'm dead. Wow. No, I'm not. The water's not killing us. It's the evil wishes. I don't want to jump off the side of the thing. I want to... Really? Now, go figure. Come on out. Get on up! It seems awfully odd that you get a... Because I think this is the last level. I'm not sure, but... We're going for it, though. I don't think I have anything for that thought process-wise. We got an obvious secret up there, but... Yeah. You know, I'd obsess on the secrets more if they actually did anything in the game. To my knowledge, they really don't. What the hell are we supposed to do with this? There we go. Maybe that's how you got that shit. Okay, looking at the kids in the background. Girl's helping the boy out of the water. Yeah, what we're doing definitely has to be like kind of how they remember what they did. Swing through glowing spark trails. Like what? This? Alright, wow. Okay. That's... weird, to say the least. Yeah, can I swing from this side? What are the glowing spark trails? Like the love the kids have for each other? Or what? I need to loosen up on that one, I know. Even more. Got a ways to go here. Overkilled a little bit, hey. Oh! And the spark trail showed up at the last flipping minute. I literally have to be in the air in order to grab this thing up. Trust in maybe there's a next one. Or not. Now, let's plan for extreme distance here. Shit. This is nuts, man. Oh, I had it too. Well, now it shows up. Mighty convenient, yeah? Thanks. want to double jump. Maybe the game just threw me a bone. Felt bad for me. That's what I'm guessing. Another leap of faith. Yep. Get some slack. Wow, this is some... Give me some, give me... Ah, yes. Might as well style it. Okay. Hey, you know, getting used to these things, they're pretty damn cool. So, who or what is giving me the help? Ah, come on. All right. I think our best bet is to, down on this rock here. But I don't know about that. Yeah, I do. Are we dead? Wow, look at this, guys. That is some... Another secret up there. Huh. How in the world are you supposed to... Ah! Got it! Nice. Yeah, I learned from my failure in the last one I didn't get, so. That's all background. So, I guess we're on the pallet here. Did they just throw the bad guy into the water? Is that what I saw in the background there? I think it might have been. Distance, I guess. Whoa, this is... No. How in the F? What in the world am I supposed to do right here? There's nothing to grab hold of. Ah! Ah! Didn't see it the first time. You gotta be kidding me right now. This is... I'd rather go with the flow. Look at this. Water going one way, water going the other. I mean, gravity's a thing, but I've never seen anything quite like that before. I'll admit. Is that? No, that's not something to grab hold of. That's another damn secret. Now, I don't want to rush games, but... Alright, what do we have here in the background? A boat. Okay. Swan coming up. Is that representative of the swan we flew on earlier in the series? I'm not quite sure. And now I'm having a... Whoa! Yeah, well, we're dead, aren't we? No! That was a miracle. Tell me there's something I can get purchase on. Yes. I don't want slow motion, thank you. I think we're dead there. Yeah, we gotta sling ourselves up there somehow. And that's the ticket. I think in order to do it, we're going to have to be further, yeah, right on the edge. And then lob ourselves on a 360. Or I guess it'd be a counterclockwise 180. Thinking, boys, sorry. Is that going to be the ticket? Think so. I don't want to die. Feels like the home stretch. It really honestly does. Oh, what the hell now? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'd love to know what's helping us. Ah! Roasted. Let's do this. Not easy, boys. Not easy. And we should be able to... No. I don't want to leave every damn secret behind. It's not letting us... Ah, crap. Crap! Going for it. All right, background. This dude tipped over a trough of some sort, and two kids are running off. He's really upset. I'll give him that. Just guessing. Oh, I can't see. What the? How are we not dead? We're dead now. Okay, but damn, what in the world are we supposed to be doing right there? I mean, I get that, but this. Just a simple double jump and then a ninja hookup? I guess so. Huh. I'm totally winging it, boys. Ah, what a game. Puts you through the ringer, but and it's frustrating, but you're glad about it. That's the odd thing. I'm cautious here. Sorry. And yeah, it turned out to be for a damn good reason, too. And something tells me we're not getting through this tree, so... I mean, we've been shaking and moving for a while in this episode. That looks like we got our... maybe they want the biggest leap ever. I don't know. We're about to find out, though. Ah, I see it. That's going to take some doing, though. That's really going to take some doing. Oh, man. That's not going to be easy. What? No double jump? Mommy? We need to get as high as we can. I can idle like this, at least. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Damn. Oh! Oh, don't screw this up. What are we going, 360? Get some! Nice. Oh. Fly, Yarny! Fly, Annie! Up! Out. What do we got? The two kids confronted by, looks like 6 individuals. They're confronting them. Wow. Yeah, the Golden Guide. What is it? The light in the light. I should have seen that. Oh. The whole time. Oh, wow. Love forms bonds between us, but not to hold us back, but to save us if we fail, or help us all climb higher. Yeah. Yes, things break beyond repair sometimes, but we can always build anew. If our fire ever fades, it just takes a single spark to set it off again. No matter how dark things get, we can all help light the way. We can make this life beautiful for ourselves and for each other. And we all deserve to be here, whatever shape or color we come in. You're welcome, devs, and I did enjoy it. Unravel 2. I'm going to keep this brief. I don't think it was as good as the first Unravel. But the mechanics with let's say Yarny and Annie, you know, the blue yarn and the red yarn, that was great. Let's see. Well, I could talk about the environment and the sound effects and the playability of all, you know, and how it felt in your hands, all to hell, but you guys already know it was great. So, well worth playing. I think that I think one of the main reasons why, let me give you two reasons why I liked Unravel, the first one, better than this one, is number one, on the first story with our Unravel, what I felt was better. I felt this was a little bit more, the story was a little bit more veiled in this one. And hey, two kids escaping, boy and a girl forming a relationship. The lighthouse symbolized like their relationship. Tell me if I'm wrong. That's what I got. And at the end, victory, the lights came on. And I thought it was a great surprise that the, I called it the gold testicle. Now I feel bad for calling it that because, I mean, the meaning of that golden orb actually being the light in the lighthouse and guiding us was great. The second reason why is my own fault. I wish I could have played this with somebody else. Now, anybody that's played on Unravel 2 co-op with a friend or a loved one is probably going to go, Mark, no, this one's better than the first one. And the main reason they're going to say so is because they got a chance to sit down with somebody shoulder to shoulder and have an experience like this together. So I really can't. I can't knock it. Other than, I'm a little bit butthurt that I didn't have a chance to play this with my daughter because she's not 2 years old yet. Anyway, I've been Mark Jackson. If I got to rate this game 1 to 10, I'll give it a solid 8. Well worth playing. I'll see you in the next adventure. Free birds. There it is. The thumbnail and the title. Thanks again, guys. Talk to you later. See ya.